Open the Board of Selectmen's regular meeting Monday, June 9th, 2025. Time now is 6:05 PM.
So I could tell by the whistle.
There's two on
Mhm.
stand for the pledge. Allegiance
To the flag
flag
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, first up, we have warrants. UR 25-25 payables. ER 2524 payroll and WTH 25-24 withholdings. We have a motion.
I move that we accept the warrants, WR 25-25 payables, PR 25-24 payroll, withholdings 25-24.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. We have some minutes to approve. First set is regular meeting, February 18th, 2025. And the second one is February 24th, 2025.
Everybody had a chance to read them?
Yeah, I saw.
All right. I'll make a motion that we accept the minutes for February 18th, 2025 and February 24th, 2025 as written.
Second. Favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Abstain.
Thank you.
You done with these stuff?
Yep.
All right, public session. Public session.
Don't have anything to say, Lucy?
Session. Next is fiscal year 2026 budget updates and changes, possible vote. What are we doing with this?
So did the board have the chance to look at the email from the chairman of the finance committee, Corey Packard, in regards to some changes with the police department's budget where some funds were shifted to be able to maintain the ACO?
Yes.
That was what Fred was talking about last week.
Right.
Right.
But in order for the accountant to change, she wanted, needed a vote. So I think the total amount that
It was 68 and some,
$6,873.65.
$6,800.
$73.65.
And then the other balance in there to get it up to the, what was it, 7150? That wasn't cut. Wasn't there something? I think our total was 7150.
Lori got this email as well, and she said, if this is what FinCom gave, then this is what that budget for the ACO would be, whether if it was, 71 before, because this is exactly what they moved. So she's like, I can't keep it at 71 if they're only giving us 6,800.
We don't have a printout handy,
No,
because I think there was one thing in the budget that she didn't cut on that.
The expense line item, I don't think was cut.
Was around 1,500.
Let me go get my laptop.
And I think that pushes it over or gives us that.
Yeah.
No, it's not 1,500 because that pushes it over 8,000. For total,
Right.
but that could be right.
Where was it, in the police budget or the ACO?
That would be in police.
It's in police, but
Okay.
it's a subheading under police.
Hmm. So the last budget that she sent over prior to, that's
Wednesday's discussion.
correct. I'm trying to pull that. Okay, there we go. Okay, so under police, you were saying there was
There's the wage and there's the expense. What was that total?
hmm, police salaries and wages, that's the chiefs. Then there's the police full-time officer. And then there's the part-times. Are you talking?
No, it's beyond
It
that.
should be on list,
Should be it by
it should be
itself,
under
I think.
ACO.
Yeah.
Okay,
As you scroll down,
yep, let me see. Oh, under the. Okay. Let's see. Should I have it under ACO or dog officer? Oh, right here. Dog officer salaries and wages for dog officer.
that should show 0.
It does show 0. But prior to that,
But was there an expense line?
yep, expenses. That one was the one that got reduced. Well, the expense line was initially it was $5,373.64 or 65, yeah, 64 cents. What's up, Jay?
What was that number? 5,300 what?
Yeah, 1 second, Dennis. Oh, okay. The, these things make you go cross-eyed. So, see for expenses. $5,373.65.
Okay.
No, was that cut?
That was completely wiped out, yeah.
And what are the other line items under the ACO?
That's it. Dog officer salaries and wages and then dog officer expenses.
What's the salary?
It was, the salary that I was looking, excuse me, the salary was $5,373.65. The expenses was $1,500.
All right.
So the
There we go.
the 6873 is
That's
gonna be the
everything.
correct number.
Yeah,
Right.
All right, so I'll make a motion to accept the budget revision within the police budget under the ACO for $6,873.65.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. All right.
And his budget and his regular line items will reflect
Yeah, just pull those up.
hmm From,
Lori's, not Lori,
Corey's,
Corey's.
yep.
so Lori hasn't
What was the
updated.
cut? Training was one line item.
Trade-in and wages,
Uniforms, I think was one, new hire, physicals and psych
Physicals.
eval, you know, was something else.
yes, and Corey did, send that email to Lori, so she's just
She's got it.
waiting for the
Okay,
board's official vote, and then she can
updated.
update it, yep.
All right.
Building maintenance reduced $73.
There's a light bulb.
Uniforms. Yeah. Uniforms reduced 1,000. Okay. Yeah, if he's good with all those numbers.
So we're all set with that.
Mhm.
Yeah.
All right, next up is the town hall painting update.
I have no update. But I will follow up again.
Next up is volunteer minute taker. Lucy has offered her services to take the minutes of the meetings that we have as a volunteer. Still looking at that?
You sure?
You gotta think about it.
That doesn't look real reassuring.
Well, at least, yeah, it would be helpful at least until, I mean, all the time, but to catch up, because clearly I'm in February and I like to go in order, so I'm a little behind.
I'm good with it.
I'm okay with it. I'll make a motion to appoint Lucy as the volunteer minute taker for the Board of Selectmen.
I'll second the motion.
All in favor?
Aye.
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 Want to start now?
Yeah.
She's taking mental notes.
Next up, we have a line item transfer.
Yes. So under the Board of Selectmen, there's two separate categories for National Grid. This one is for the street lights and electricity. So under this account, that it's only those two line items, so that account is negative. So trying to transfer money from IT because we have plenty in there
Okay.
to cover. That's what is owed, and I did a few, based on how the bills are, around 250 each month. I did just 2 extra just to cover this month and next month, so hopefully don't have to come
So-
back.
Just for clarification, this is for the lights around the parking lot.
Yeah,
town
street
hall.
lights.
They're not actual streetlights.
Right, yes,
Yeah,
yes, good
along the
clarification.
roadways, yeah. I'll make a motion that we move transfer from Board of Selectmen, Web and IT to streetlights and electricity. Do you want the account number in there?
Mm-mm. I mean,
Okay.
you can,
In the amount of $1,400.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Does that have to go to finance or no?
mhm. Yeah, so all three board members, if you guys can sign that, that would be fantastic.
Today's the 9th, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Last line says signature of finance committee.
You can just put it somewhere like above one of the, just
Yeah.
make room somewhere. Thank you.
The board have any new business?
Highways,
I was gonna
email.
bring it into correspondence.
Okay, never mind,
It's not new.
nothing new.
The email from. Who sent the email looking to get on? Oh, Nick Killick,
Oh, I haven't.
to get on,
Conservation,
conservation.
Okay,
that should go to
conservation?
conservation and then have them vote,
Then to
come to
us.
us.
Okay.
Right. Did you get that?
Did you
Lucy?
get that email?
Not yet.
Nick Killick, do you know him?
The what?
Nick Killick, do you know him?
I
Lives on
believe
Hapgood
he's
Road.
Hapgood Road.
Yeah, he is.
He's interested in conservation.
That's fine. I don't know him though, and I don't have an email for that.
I can forward it to you.
Okay,
Probably email him back and tell him to talk to her.
Yeah,
Or email him.
yeah, yeah, I'll add Lucy's email in the,
Yeah.
so that way they can communicate.
You
Okay,
have 5 members, Lucy, or 3?
right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4.
So we can.
So
do
you're
one
short 1.
We're short one.
So it's June 9th.
more.
Is that an appointment you'd want to do for the year coming up? I mean, if you all agree, instead of having to do it twice.
We're all gonna be on it next year,
Right, when's your next meeting? Michael's asking,
July 1st.
okay, so it would have
All
to
right,
be
so, okay, so it'll all work out then, if you
new
guys
fiscal
choose.
year.
The other thing along those same lines is, has Mark Mirabelli said anything as far as, Board of Health?
No. I mean, I haven't spoken to him about that.
I just thought of it again this afternoon, because I know he wanted to get on as a write-in,
Yeah, yeah,
and
I think at this point, then he would have to contact Board of Health. They have to make the recommendation for the selectmen,
yeah,
and then you guys can appoint for 1 year.
okay.
Yeah, I haven't seen him or spoken to him. I mean, if,
Do you have an email for him or
I
anything?
can send him a message and
Yeah, just
tell him
ask-
that if he's interested
Get a
to
hold of
Board of
Board of
Health.
Health, and,
Mm-hmm.
because I think we're gonna be short again. Is Ariana gonna stay on? Or-
I'm not sure. I'm not, you know, I know that Board of Health's concern was with no clerk, that they feel, or she feels, that she just doesn't have that time to do the clerical things. I know she mentioned that she would ask the current clerk if they would be, if she would be interested in the third seat, which, you know, that's up to their board. I just reminded that if that was the case, you know, and if it goes through at the town meeting, that it wouldn't be a paid job anymore if the budget gets approved.
I guess,
yeah,
who do they want?
Yeah, I mean, I think
I mean, you were saying the clerk now maybe get on as a member
that's what one of the board,
of the board.
that's what one of the current board members said. I wonder if the clerk now she didn't say that the clerk said that. She
Yeah,
said,
yeah,
I would just
I
wonder if she
understand.
would be interested in it.
Right.
In the third seat. Because I think that last time there was a vacancy last year after elections. I think that was considered, but she chose to stay in her role because it was, a paying
Right,
little something. So,
can't blame her.
yeah, so I just said, that's up to the board to their board to make that decision, but just keep in mind that, she possibly could and do the same things that she's been doing, but, there's a possibility of not getting paid for that
Right,
besides a stipend.
maybe send the board an email and give them those options and see what they want to do, if there's any.
Yeah, I know the current board member said she was gonna mention it to her, but yeah, I can follow up.
Okay,
Okay. And in the past, really quick, they've, kind of, if there's been more than one person interested, they've, I don't want to say held interviews, but kind of talked to both and picked who they thought would be the better fit.
they probably should.
Yeah.
Not probably, they should.
They should. Any other new? Old business, Skyline Drive and Old Schoolhouse Road.
Oh. I was tired.
A new road.
How much fun do we have after these go out in legal? Or anybody makes a phone call to town council?
Well, I can just tell you what we have based on the last reports that we got from the accountant for the expenditures.
Well, we got roughly 1,400 in the payables, I think.
Okay, so. So this is April's. Are you curious to see if it'll carry through the end of the year?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. You guys. Take me a second to find this. Oh, here we go, legal. In April, we had $2,878. If you take about 1,400, that's about half, so a little over 1,400 maybe, just about 1,400.
So probably enough for a phone call and a letter.
I hope we can get a little bit more than that.
Well, no,
You might get 2 letters out of that.
I think what we need to do is have council send a letter to Spillane and Spillane. And, hey, we'd like to do this, but until you forward all the pertinent documents to the Board of Selectmen,
Have they talked to him yet? Has town council talked to?
yeah, it's going back and forth,
Back and
but
forth for
3 years.
3 years.
But
Council has done everything they can do. Jack's lawyers did everything they can do. It's all in Spillane's
Right.
lap right now, so.
so we're basically at the edge of Turnpike Road looking in. We don't have a dog in the hunt
Right,
Right.
until we get the paperwork.
Right.
We cannot accept the roads until Spillane has the as-built drawings. They have everything.
They got everything.
So I think probably, I don't know, I can call Brian this week and say, hey, look, this is what we're looking for. And I don't know how you,
looking for a resolution is what you're looking for.
But would we contact Brian or because Brian is not the one assigned to this?
Oh, that's right.
It's
no, Sharon
Sharon.
is, but she has not gotten. I don't know, there's just,
Cause I think Brian would certainly can and loop them in, like.
well, I think I would say to him, she's assigned to it, but she's either not paying attention to what we're asking, or she doesn't have the push or the drive to get a response that tells us, you know, why Spillane hasn't done it. You know, they should be able to talk lawyer to lawyer, and,
You would think so.
you know, if there's something behind the scenes that's causing this to be stalled, you know, they should be able to tell town council so we can walk away from it and stop spending money on it. Because if it isn't, we're not gonna get the paperwork. And we don't have it to go to a special town meeting to accept it. We shouldn't be running town equipment
Yeah,
and plowing those roads. Yeah, we've done it. I get it. But
And we,
that's the only leverage we have to get this this attorney and the owner, Como, to move on this. And we don't know what's going on in that office.
right.
So that's why I say maybe a letter from town council to say, hey, look,
Yeah,
enough's enough.
next step might be notify the residents.
Well, that would be the
Have
next
them,
letter.
have them start screaming at.
Yeah.
Yep.
Como.
Because like Don says, Amadio, Old Camp Sand and Gravel signed the documents they needed to sign with Bennett and Forts, his attorney,
Right,
and they transferred everything to.
Yeah.
So we don't even have that because they transferred it.
Right.
So, and the longer it goes on, you know, then we're looking at, you know, the condition of the roads,
right.
you know, at some point in the future. It's gonna get to a point of, you know, you're not gonna be able to, you're gonna go, geez, full of potholes, we don't want that. You're gonna have to fix it
Right,
before we accept it,
right,
and then we're starting all over again. But we don't even have the paperwork to do eminent domain,
right.
you know, the as-built drawings.
yeah,
So, and we would need that. We could do that, but
does town council have copies of the papers?
not the as-built and the signatures.
Okay,
I don't believe they have a,
have anything?
I know they
Value?
don't have Amadio's, because Jack had said that he gave everything to his attorney that gave it to. So Old Camp Sand and Gravel was done
Mhm,
Yeah.
from everything that I can see and planning board can see.
Yeah,
So. But we got 5 months to try and get this resolved before it snows. Kind of like last year.
Exactly.
So I'll do that this week.
Okay.
Call council and see what they have for a recommendation to move this. I mean, none of it makes any sense why we're not getting it out of Spillane and Spillane,
yeah,
Right.
other than there's something going on has nothing to do with OCAM and
Yeah.
has to do with their client
Yeah.
and their firm.
Yep.
This is the only thing I can think of. So. Or they're just incredibly incompetent. I don't know.
there's that too.
Yeah.
Doesn't
So-
happen.
Might just be too much paperwork on the paralegal's desk. I don't know.
Planning board did say that about Spillane on that end,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Phil has stated it.
That they're not very good.
that it's been like stuck at the paralegal's desk.
Paralegal
or
is the
something.
gatekeeper.
Really,
Yeah.
hope she has.
And the Dead Sea
Or he.
Scrolls are stacked up on her
She.
desk when he stopped there. So.
Got thrown in the trash.
Let's hope not.
Speaking of town council, if I may, I was asked again if the board had seen the email from the planning board regarding or if any decision or discussion was made regarding using other council,
Outside council.
outside council for
for the battery thing?
Yes.
The one I saw was just gave names, so,
Yes, they gave two different,
Yeah.
both towns had different,
right,
I think their expertise was more in environmental law, like just from listening to the planning board meeting.
along the same line. I
Yeah.
don't wanna jump ahead of ourselves here, but did you see the email from fire chief? Down in Texas, they were installing one of these things and it caught fire. It
Yeah.
wasn't even hooked up,
As they're
Yeah.
building?
caught on fire,
Yeah,
And those were Tesla.
and they were Tesla batteries.
yeah.
That's a whole nother. You've got people in government
Well, I know,
that are bought into this Green New Deal and
I don't think we should be jumping to any willy-nilly attorney's office without talking to our counsel first.
right.
They've already been made aware of it.
yeah,
Yeah,
and we
we've had
did,
preliminary conversations with,
Let's talk to them and see what they suggest.
yeah, I think the way it ended was, let us know if you are
Right.
going to stick with KP for it, or if you want to go outside, that's fine too. They kind of just needed to know, or wanted to know. That's how it, when our council was informed, that's pretty much the conversation. You know, there were some questions asked of, how familiar are you? They're like, well, you know, this one particular attorney, it's like, I've done a few, but it's not like we have these every day, all day.
This is all,
So, yeah,
and I get that. But let's not forget that Westfield never appeared in front of the commission.
mhm.
So how did they use these lawyers? They never went before the commission.
Right, and if you recall, they said at the meeting that they didn't spend a whole lot of money.
No,
no.
no,
'cause it-
So really, what did
so
they
they didn't
use?
get that far. The
Yeah,
company pulled out. That was their luck. The
Yeah.
company pulled out. You know, we're not in
Which-
that position.
Which doesn't mean another company isn't
Well, no-
gonna walk into Westfield and
Absolutely.
start all over again. because
Absolutely.
Nothing was ruled at
No,
the state level,
no.
at the siting board, so.
And again, the only real other thing on their side is they just spent $30 million cleaning up the aquifer last year
mhm,
for PFAS contamination. So naturally, the company looking at that saying, "Oh, how are we going to fight that?" They just spent 30 million bucks. They pulled out. But no one's been before the commission on that. So they didn't use these attorneys to do anything yet.
Yeah, really, the only ones that have been before the commission are what, Carver and
Medway,
Medford,
Medway,
Medway,
and they lost.
and they lost. And they're
Not a
fighting,
good track record.
and they're fighting not to pay the normal permit fees,
Permit fees, yeah.
which would be, building inspector, zoning, all that stuff.
Yeah.
They don't even want to pay, they want to be exempt from everything.
Right.
So,
I'd say we talked about council first and then map out what we should do or not do. Or we go spend $50,000 on Washington lawyers.
I don't want to go down the rabbit hole with excess emotion on this whole issue.
You know,
doesn't usually turn out well. I've never seen it turn out well, doing it that way.
I don't know, maybe I should rephrase that, but I think you understood what I meant.
yeah, I think we got it. Yeah,
Yeah, I think with council, we should just stick to the facts.
Yeah.
And leave the emotion aside. I'll call Brian this week.
Is that Brian too, for that?
No,
No, but I,
Another guy.
it's another guy. Yeah, and your best bet, Mike, I'm just, from my way of communicating with Brian, if it helps, is I would, if you're gonna call him, I would send him an email first, because he does a lot, he's in litigation a lot.
All
So he won't answer, but if you schedule, he'll tell you his availability for a phone call,
Oh.
you know,
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Or he'll have somebody else call. If it's, you know, urgent.
I talked to Sharon, but I just don't have any confidence that,
So the gentleman that I spoke to for the battery stuff, his name is George Pucci. And,
that's right, yeah.
and he's also a stakeholder with KP Law, like he's one of the partners so actually, when I had that phone conversation, the Skyline Drive situation kind of came up and he was informed of, you know, we kind of got off topic for a minute there, but just informed of this back and forth that the town has been going through with Skyline Drive and Old Schoolhouse Road. So he said he was gonna kind of follow up on that but here we are.
Well, he probably did, and she told him, oh yeah,
They got it.
they got it,
Yeah,
because that's as far as she knows. You know?
She,
Sharon.
Sharon,
yeah.
You know,
well, it's like Phil says, it's gotta be sitting in that giant stack on the paralegal's desk at the front door.
But if you do send an email, you know, any communication that I have with any attorney that's outside of Brian, I always CC Brian as the overall OCAM attorney. So he's in the loop, but you know,
yeah, you can see what's going on.
so if you were to do something like that, that would be my suggestion, just to always CC him, even if you're communicating with Sharon or anyone else for that matter. And
Do you wanna do the other one? As far as you wanna wait up
Which one?
Clover Road? Not really a point to,
Yeah,
or our,
the only thing I want to know is, are they able to represent us fully with this?
so that's a call you should probably make now then.
Yeah,
Yeah, I would say probably
just to know,
get moving on it. Just,
you know,
you don't want to be down to the 11th hour and have them say, nah, we're not really any good at this.
Yeah, or worst case, maybe they have somebody they partner with, another
That's-
firm that has an environmental
Yeah,
that's what I was thinking. They may have that,
expertise that they don't have, you know?
right? Yeah, that's a good idea.
Well, if you want to call on that and then bring up the Skyline and do two with one stone,
Sure,
one email,
might as well.
okay. And we will only get billed for one phone call.
There you go.
depends if you CC everybody though. You might get double, triple.
no, it still counts as one.
Yeah,
I think you found
three
it.
CCs and
CC
three
and
lawyers.
the-
Oh,
yeah.
100.
The owner of the firm seems to, has an impact. Or did. Did you do that, or did the planning board do that?
Planning board does it. I do it too on bigger things, CC Lauren. Or, you know, if you want some, I mean, I must say, I think I haven't met Brian, but he's been very responsive since he took over last year, right around this time, maybe.
Yep.
Really quick.
Yeah.
Overall, and if he's called me and says, I can't answer, or no, he's had other people call me. He's like, Brian's in litigation, but he told me to call you regarding this, and he forwarded me your email, so, yeah.
Did you get the name of the person that's coming for town meeting?
Alex something, yeah, I would have to look it up, but yeah, he
But
did.
that's confirmed.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, and he's waiting for the warrant. We can maybe try to wrap that up. this week.
You looking at me?
I'm looking at all of you. Primarily you, though.
I'm finishing up the motions. Warrants all set.
Yeah, if you want to send that first, you can send it to me and I can forward it or to them, because I have to send it to Brian and the other attorney that's coming in his representation, because he can't come that day.
Okay.
Should be fairly short, other than the
And he's really, cool.
13 articles.
housekeeping articles.
Yeah,
Like 13 articles. It's very small.
And that covers all
All the
the
transfers,
rotating article, not rotating, but.
you got the
recurring.
petition in there.
reassigning of this to that. And
Yeah, and then the petition is on there.
No, plumbing and wiring, all.
The revolving.
all the regular
Yeah.
stuff is there. Yep.
On the consent calendar.
Yeah.
That's like 1 through 7.
Yeah.
Is the,
Okay.
Petition is on there.
okay.
Oh, and the planning boards
That's gonna be a simple
vote
motion.
on reaffirming whatever, the vote on planning.
They had 2, right? Or was it
Yeah,
combined into
one was
one?
to move money
Yeah.
that's sitting in dead accounts
Yeah.
into the general
Right.
fund.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's on there. And the citizens petition is the last one.
Okay.
Correspondence.
Oh, if I may, under old business, just wanted to give the board an update on the website.
Oh.
So yes, we were able to move along with utilizing the grant. We went through SHI, but still to stay with Civic Plus, so that way they're through the state contract.
Yep.
So yeah, everything's been placed and moving forward. I think it'll start taking place, or the implementation, in about 9 to 12. I think he said maybe 4 to 12 weeks. But yes, the website will be revamped.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Just the email from the highway superintendent from today.
That was in regards to last week's.
Cemetery.
Yeah.
Did you all read it?
Yep.
I think it should be noted for the amount of money for that archway, they should be able to put it up themselves without the highway taking the risk of
What's the number?
20 some odd $1,000.
Mm-hmm.
21,000. Does that sound right, Lucy?
For the arch, I'll look it up right now.
I mean, they're not gonna know how that thing's structured. You know, what would they do? For
20.
slings, to a single hook on the bucket?
I would think the guy that's putting it up and built it
You should have thought of that,
would have an idea.
right?
So the arch is $21,774.80. 21,774.80.
With the 80 cents.
That was the quote, yeah.
No, I would just rather the highway didn't have to take the chance on that liability.
I guess if they did, maybe them sign a waiver that if the thing is trashed, it's not our fault.
Yeah, that's major concern is if it gets damaged.
Yeah, and Pat, quoting Pat in the email says, I told Lee that I did not feel comfortable giving him the answers until I mentioned it to the board. I don't mind helping out departments and commissions when needed, but I don't want to be responsible for the arch if there were a break or any damage.
I mean, I think if the contractor built it and he bid on it, he had a plan as to how he was gonna put it up.
Mm-mm.
Obviously not.
Well,
Who know- I
maybe
assume-
he did and just doesn't wanna do,
Did,
I don't know.
was it historical?
Yeah.
Commission that was involved in that?
Yeah, it's not cemetery.
Who knows what they said to him? You know, build the thing and we'll get the highway to help us. I'm trying to think, they did that before. And I don't remember.
I mean, I
How
would,
they
I
got
would
it
think
installed.
if the contractor puts it up, well, however he would do it, and it falls apart, then he owes the town another archway.
Hmm.
Where if something happens, not the fault of the highway, you know, picking the thing up because something isn't right inside
Right.
the structure and it falls apart, oh, you guys wrecked it.
Yeah.
He's still gonna wanna get paid. So I'd rather just,
I just assume keep the highway out of it.
Yeah.
We're paying $21,000 for a project from A to Z, do Z, you know.
Hmm.
Mm. So,
Email Pat and tell him, no. Stay out of it.
okay,
you got enough to do anyways.
Yeah, they do.
How high is that off the ground?
I don't know what it's good.
it's right, if I can read this, it's right, and I have the quote right here.
Drive a backhoe under it,
Yeah,
I would think.
I mean, I've been by it in the past and
Yeah.
fairly tall.
Tower made with 4 6x6s per tower capped with cross. Let's see, top arch 30 by 14 feet.
14 feet must be the height.
Yeah, tower 19 by 18 and a
Width.
half by 10 feet. I'm trying to,
What's a tower again? What's the measurement?
it says tower, 19 by 18 and a half by 10. Top arch 30 by 14.
30 inches.
Yep,
That's probably the width of it. Top to bottom of the actual arch.
The box frame,
Yeah.
the arch, yeah.
Yeah.
I would think if he's,
you wanna look
no,
at
no,
that?
that's fine.
Sure,
Yeah,
'cause I'm like, I can't make
I
it
have
out.
to get it to OCAM,
Yes,
because the highway has no way to get it from wherever his shop is.
Right.
So how's he gonna load it onto a truck to get it here? So he should be able to figure it out.
Who's doing it?
Tom Petty.
Oh, okay. He does a lot of post and beam stuff. I would think he'd have access to a lull or something.
Yeah, he must have. For hoisting stuff.
Correspondence.
Nope.
Yeah, nothing. Ready?
Mhm.
Okay. We have 2 executive sessions. One under 30A, Section 2, conduct strategy sessions for preparation of negotiations with non-union personnel. Second one is to 30A 21-2, the contract negotiations with non-union personnel, Board of Selectmen Administrative Assistant. We have a motion.
Yeah, I'll make a motion. We go to executive session under Mass General Law, Chapter 30A, Section 2, for conducting strategy sessions in preparation for negotiations with non-union personnel, police chief. And executive session, Mass General Law, Chapter 30A, Section 21, conduct contract negotiations with non-union personnel, Board of Selectmen Administrative, and discuss renewal of employment agreement for chief of police, and votes may be taken. And are we going to adjourn
Mm-mm.
from executive? We'll come back to
We're gonna
open
come back
session.
to open session for the last part.
All right.
Just want to discuss.
Okay, and we'll come back to open session. We'll adjourn.
Second.
You want me to shut the door?
All in favor?
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Back in session for the Monday, June 9th, 2025 Board of Selectmen meeting. We come out of executive session and I'm going to make a motion that we send a notice to the police chief for non-renewal of the current contract as per the conditions in his contract to set up for further negotiations February of 2026.
Good. I'll second the motion.
All in favor?
Bye.
Aye.
Anything else for the board?
Nope.
No. Motion to adjourn?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
7:55.